Red Tea Detox Review. Hi, my name is Emily and I am shy to speak in the mic. So, I use this awesome robotic voice to create Red Tea Detox Review. You've surely noticed how the lifestyle of drinking tea has gained traction worldwide. Over the years, different plants and plant blends have claimed to produce the best type of tea with a few additional health boosts. What type of tea do you drink? Have you tried red tea? The Red Tea Detox Review is a brief encapsulation of this one tea alternative that has become quite popular recently. Hopefully, Liz Swann's program will help you make that switch. Ultimately, the purpose is to make a positive change in your life. What is the Red Tea Detox? Red Tea Detox is a new, comprehensive detoxification and cleansing program that is tailored to help you lose weight within a matter of weeks. A brainchild of Liz Swann Miller, this African detox tea has undergone a decade of advanced research coupled with more than 500 medical studies to ascertain its potency and efficiency. Product ingredients. The creator of this recipe uses pseudo-names to describe these ingredients. This special tea has 5 secret ingredients. These include the Fat Unlocker, Ultimate Fat Cleanser, the Fat Shrinker, the Hunger Killer, the Fat Storage Stopper. What you get with the Red Tea Detox package. Besides, the program includes a lot of bonuses that come in the form of video tutorials and audiobooks. These include the Red Smoothie Recipe, the Ultimate Superfood Guide, 5 Detox Methods of Fabulous Celebrities, Effortless Weight Loss Hypnosis audiobook. Pros: the necessary ingredients to make the tea are surprisingly easy to find at your local grocery store and are very affordable. Helps to shrink and force excess fat cells to empty their contents to be burnt as fuel. A 60-day risk-free trial for you to decide if the program is for you, and she even lets you keep the bonuses. Detoxification benefit from supporting the liver's metabolic processes, enhanced toxins removal. Low in calories and caffeine-free. Control stress hormones with powerful antioxidants that help to detoxify your body. Enhances intimacy that may have been affected by weight gain. Helps with blood pressure and blood sugar levels. Cons: like any other weight loss program, this does require some discipline. If you stick with it though, you will see results. Some people find it really difficult to adjust their diets at the drop of a hat. Remember to start slowly and rewire your brain so that you eventually begins craving the tea. You have to pay extra for the audio format. To avail the best discount from the official website of the manufacturer, click the link in description below.